Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the boost ball. So first thing you want to do is inflate the ball about 25%. So using the included air pump, you're just going to insert it into the hole on the ball and inflate it. Once you have inflated the ball about 25%, you're just going to remove the air pump and insert the pin into the bottom so that it holds the air. Next thing you're going to do is attach the graphic around the ball. So you're just going to unvelcro the graphic and insert it over the ball. Now when you insert it over the ball, you want to make sure that the air valve is on the bottom of the graphic. Now that I have my ball centered in the graphic, I'm just going to remove the pin and continue to inflate it. So I'm going to inflate it about 75%, not fully inflated. So I'm just going to keep inflating. As you're inflating, you want to make sure that you're guiding the ball to stay centered in the graphic. Now that I have the ball about 75% inflated, I'm going to make sure that the graphic is centered. And then I'm going to lay over the base on top of the ball. So you're just going to center the base over the ball. Once you have the base centered on the ball, you're going to use the hook and loop strips on the graphic and attach it around the legs. So you're going to do it for each leg. And then next you're just going to completely inflate the ball. Now you want to make sure that you do not overinflate the ball. Once you have it fully inflated, you're just going to completely slide in the pin. You want to push the pin as far down as it will go. And it's just that easy to set up your boost ball.